charging case, cleaning brush, ear tips of different sizes, and USB cable. Remove the hearing aids from the charging case. Wait for 3 seconds and it'll turn on automatically. Choose one ear tip that suits you and connect it to the sound outlet of the hearing aid. Blue marking on the ear tube for left hearing aid, red marking for the right hearing aid. Before you put on the hearing aid, long press the down button to turn it off. When the hearing aid is securely placed in your ear, long press the down button to turn it on. You'll hear the prompt tone, power on, with a beep. There are 11 volume levels and 4 programs for the hearing aid. Short press the up and down buttons to adjust the volume of the hearing aid. When it reaches the highest or lowest volume, you'll hear triple beeps. Each time, long press the up button for 2 seconds. You'll switch to a new program. Like go from program 1 to 2, you'll hear beep beep. Program 2 to 3 with triple beeps. Your hearing aids beep to indicate which program you're in. Long press the down button to turn it off. Turn on Bluetooth on the phone and search for Bluetooth devices. Select G soundbuds to match. If the connection is successful, there will be a prompt tone connected. Turn off the Bluetooth and you'll hear the prompt tone disconnected. Long press the down button or replace it in the charging case to turn it off. Then restart the hearing aids to connect to Bluetooth. For music streaming, short press the up or down button to adjust volume. Short press the down button twice to pause or play music. Short press 3 times the up or down button to go to previous or next song. Answering incoming calls. Short press the down button to answer the call. Long press the down button for 2 seconds to reject or hang up the call. Activating the mobile phone voice assistant. Short press the down button and wait for 2 to 3 seconds to activate the music player. Short press 3 times the up button and wait for 2 seconds to activate the mobile phone voice assistant, such as, "Hi Siri." Long press the down button for more than 2 seconds to turn it off. Wipe the hearing aid with a dry cloth or tissue. Clean the sound outlet, mic port, and sound tube with provided brush. The indicator light on the charging case will be on when the charging is ongoing. Charge the charging case. The 4 indicator lights in the middle is for charging status of the charging case. Flashing blue lights means charging. Constant blue lights means fully charged. Orange light means cleaning for 10 minutes.